Hi all, today I am going to show you how to determine that your machine is running on 32-bit or a 64-bit edition of Windows. For this, press Windows key on your keyboard, type MSinfo32.exe. This is the command. This will give you system information page. Over this page you will able to see system type. This system type value will explain you that your machine is running on 32-bit or a 64-bit edition of Windows. For 32-bit edition value will be x86 base PC, but here it's showing x64. So for 64-bit edition value will be x64 base PC. This command will work in all Windows like XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay. From here you will able to see that your machine is running on 32-bit or a 64-bit edition of Windows. Using this will help you when you are installing any software, so you will able to see that you have to download a 32-bit or a 64-bit edition of that software. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.